We spent some time looking at heating oil and RBOB last week, testing existing strategies and new pattern ideas. Here is what we have for heating oil. This is a strategy or a market of interest. And so Cobra Euro, a variation of on heating oil, actually put this together early last week, and it followed up with a nice streak after I put it together because there's been a nice trend in heating oil. But this is a new strategy basically, or a new approach, not really a new strategy. Cobra Euro is an existing strategy, but we're applying it to heating oil for the first time. And these are the results without slippage and commission. You get $94 average trade profit, 1,104 trades, 55% profitable. Here is the drawdown, 8,000 intraday peak to valley. Close trade to close trade is about 7,100. Here is the equity curve. And so there's a lot of trades. And so we also applied the money management algorithm to this to see if we could boost performance. And we used the average trade profit less than zero, and the open equity moving average equity curve. And we've got this to 143.17, about 1/3 of the trades. Still about 55-56% profitable. We lowered the drawdowns a little bit. And here is the equity curve. So this again is heating oil using Cobra Euro, and then the money management algorithm. I'm going to show you the money management algorithm inputs that I use for this. So if you take a look, these are just the default settings. We're looking at the @HO symbol, 15-minute bar, one contract. Using the limit entry technique, so when the condition is true, we enter the next bar on a limit order minus 0 points. So basically at the next bar, if it's long, we buy the next bar at the close on a limit. If it's a short signal, we sell short the next bar at the current close of this bar on a limit of the 15-minute bar. And use average trade profit, that's set to 1. All the ones that are 0 are set to false. Moving average open equity curve is set to true since it has a 1 next to it. And so then we look at the average trade profit. So if it's between 0 and minus 500, so basically it's less than 0. This is over the last 10 trades. And so if there are, if you have 10 trades and your average trade profit falls below minus 500, that means you're down 5,000. So we definitely would want to maybe pause in until it does a little better, but then we don't want to trade it when it's in a run-up either. But the open equity curve on the 15-minute bars can be positive. So the 20-40 period open equity curve of the 15-minute bars can be positive, and we're just using basic parameters. We're not optimizing this. For example, average trade profit less than 0. For open equity curve, we're using 20 and 40. We're not using, we're not incrementally optimizing and using numbers like 17 and 23 and 47 or anything like that. So just incremental, one max daily entry per day. That's the basic strategy uses anyways. And we exit at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, $900 stop loss, and we sync the exit with the master. If the master strategy gets out, we get out. So those are the inputs for the money management algorithm, and I will have this posted to the side if you want to sign up for Cobra Heating Oil.